Flair CLIXX-O mechanical pencil. This pencil cost about rupees 30. This pencil comes with 2.0 mm tip. Flair is having many pencils and pens, many stationery items under their lineup, and this pencil is special for 2.0 mm tip. The lead carrying case itself to be mentioned in the case. Now the pencil itself comes with a sharpener at the top, and this pencil is fully plastic. It is having a side click mechanism which is comfortable. Let's take a look at the sharpener. It locks at the top, and this sharpener is used to sharpen the lead. It is 2.0 mm tip. Good to see a sharpener at the back of the pencil. Now the grip part, which is well done in this pencil. A typical design for grip in any pencil or pen. Look at the tip, which is sharp using the sharpener. The pencil looks sturdy, bulky. Now let's take a look at the impression it makes. The grip uses the lines like design, which gives a comfortable feel while writing. The impression is dark. The lead is strong because it is 2.0 mm tip. Easy to write as if we are using a wooden pencil. Altogether a nice pencil from Flair at this price point with a specialized grip. Back impression is minimal. Thanks for watching.